Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I had a chance to play with the Colourpop's Wild Child palette, and this was released I believe a month ago, and I have it sitting in my makeup drawer for about a month now. And today I decided to I need to use up the Colourpop 9-pan palettes. So here I am. I have so many other 9-pan palettes to pretty much do a makeup video on. So just to show you guys a few, I have so many to play with, and I want to try to go through them as quickly as possible. But today I have a chance to play with the Wild Child, and I am obsessed actually with the makeup look that I have achieved today. I'm just really happy with the blendability, and the pigmentation of this palette really surprises me. I even like some of the glitter shades that are within this palette. So here is what the palette looks like. So most of the shades are pretty much in mid-tone range, but then you have some deeper colors at the bottom row. And I think this palette works for a lot of deeper skin tone girls out there, I'm pretty sure. But for the medium and lighter skin tone girls, I feel like you're missing highlighting shades and inner corner shades and etc. But I do have another palette that I have to incorporate with this palette. I feel like these two go really well together. The Going Coconuts 9-pan palette, I'm pretty sure everyone owns this palette, but these two together, they're like perfect harmony. It's just, I haven't used this one personally, but I've heard a lot of good things about this palette. I'm gonna do a review on the Going Coconuts next, but so far I am impressed with this one. So let's just go over how I created my eye makeup look today. The first shade that I decided to use is called Spotted, and I use that as my transition shade. I like placing down a transition shade first before doing anything to my eyes, and this is a perfect camel brown shade. It has a little bit of a kickback, but this is a nice transition color. Very pigmented and super smooth, not much patchiness or anything like that. And I decided to apply this shade close to my brow bone and just like into my crease, and just blending out and diffusing that shade as much as possible. So the next shade I decided to place down, it's called Ground Crew. So this shade is kind of like leaning towards orangey red, but it is a nice crease shade. This color is super pigmented and super smooth. It blends amazing. So I decided to use Ground Crew to kind of create a depth on my crease a little bit, and just to warm up my eye makeup look a little bit more. So I decided to then further deepen up my outer V with the shade called Icon, and I believe this is a satiny shade. I love this shade actually. So this is a satiny shade, but it works great as a outer V color. I like how you can diffuse the color a bit to just make your eye makeup look more smoky without being it completely matte. Because it's a dark color, you can kind of get away with using it as a deepened crease color, if that makes any sense. But I love that color. And then for the center of my eyelids, I decided to go in with this shade called Fierce. So this shade originally came in broken, so I had to like repress this shade. But this is such a beautiful shade. It is super reflective, and I'm sad that it came in all broken and all, but it still works. This color is, oh my god, it's gorgeous. So Fierce is on the center of my eyelids, and I absolutely love this shade. It's just so reflective and gorgeous. I don't think I have anything like this from Colourpop, at least I don't think so, but I love that shade, and I will buy this, repurchase this palette just for that shade alone. So for my bottom lash line, I decided to go in with Icon and a little bit of this one, the Grasslands, and a mixture of lashes. So I'll just quickly swatch that for you guys. So this is Lashes and this is Grasslands. Of course, I finished up my eye makeup look with eyeliner and lashes. So I decided to also pick up 2 of their blushes. So this one is in Jet Set. So this is a very neutral blush color. It is gorgeous on the cheeks, and then I am using Trippin today. So this have like rose undertone. This is a gorgeous color. I have quite a few of Colourpop blushes, and I really love their pigmentation and color range in their blushes. If I would recommend anything from Colourpop, it would be their blushes and of course the 9-pin eyeshadow palettes. So my only one complaint about this palette is that they're missing that highlighting champagne shade, but other than that, this palette is such a gorgeous neutral mid-tones lover eyeshadows lover palette. I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely pick this up again if I hit pan on any of these shades, because I am amazed by the pigmentation first of all of this palette. The colors are gorgeous. Love how my eye makeup look turned out using this palette. There was not much fallout. The blendability of these eyeshadows are just superb. So I would definitely recommend picking this palette up if you guys are kind of in the phase of should I or should I not. I would definitely pick this palette up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy my makeup demo slash a review on the Colourpop's Wild Child palette. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.